Trails End Restaurant is located right beside Pioneer Hall, home to the Hoop-Dee-Doo Musical Revue dining hall at Fort Wilderness Campground. This casual, quick service spot serves up classic comfort foods in a cozy, rustic setting. Once a buffet, it was redesigned in 2023 to offer more friendly mobile ordering and grab-and-go options. One standout is the grab-and-go pizza, a quick, tasty option that fills the tummy quite well, perfect for a fast meal after a long day. Guests can also enjoy favorites like Mickey waffles for breakfast and fresh bakery items. Lunch and dinner serves up favorites like fried chicken, barbecue ribs, pulled pork, and burgers. It's a great value for hearty meals and especially convenient for campers. Both indoor and outdoor seating are available, so you can relax and enjoy your meal your way.